Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is your English instructor Kashif Mahmood. I hope you are doing well and enjoying your class. Today, we are going to start unit number 2 and B lift number 10. Let's move and have a look at what is the B lift number 10. Yes. Use intensive pronouns means myself, ourselves. These are used for intensive pronoun. Recognize and correct inappropriate shifts in pronoun number and person. So, dear learners, this is B lift number 10. Now, we are moving to the focus. But before moving to the focus, I hope you have done your bridging with the help of your teacher along with your fellows. So now we have reached at the focus. Look at this. The sentence builders toolkit. It means we are going to mastering emphasis and stability in English. Emphasis mean emphatic pronoun or intensive pronoun. Right. Intensive mean emphasize. Yes. Now move next. Look at this. Intensive pronouns used to add extreme emphasis. Yes, it is used to give some emphasis or stress and highlight the importance of doer. Doer means subject. It highlights the importance of the subject. Yes. And on the other hand, tool number 2 is the balance scale. Balance scale means we should keep in mind pronoun antecedent agreement. Means that whatever the pronoun, there should be an antecedent and it should agree. Used to ensure structural stability, logical balance, and correct proportions. Yes, this is very important. We have to create a balance between pronoun and its antecedent. Now, look at this. Tool number 1, adding power to the doer. We have already discussed about the intensive pronoun that it add power to the doer. Doer, I also told you people, doer means subject. It highlights and it provides the importance of the subject. An intensive pronoun emphasizes the subject. Yes, it proves that the specific person or thing doing the action is highly important. Now, it is very clear that intensive pronoun highly important for the subject. It is highlighting the importance of the subject. They follow right behind the noun or pronoun, they emphasize. Yes, after the subject, there should be a word that is indicating the subject. Yes, look at this. The teacher herself means teacher is female. The teacher herself explained the lesson. Herself is indicating the teacher and emphasizing the teacher. Who explained? The teacher herself explained the lesson. This is intensive pronoun. Now, move to the next slide. Look at this. The drop test. It means that if we drop intensive pronouns are not necessary for the sentence. Yes, keep in mind, these are not necessary for the sentence to make. Yes, it hasn't any connection with the what sense, with understanding. They are an add-on. It means that they just add stress on the subject. Look at this. I myself completed the project. Now, we have used myself intensive pronoun in this sentence, and myself is bouncing back at the subject doer. Now, look at this. This is before and after. We have removed this pronoun here. I completed the project. It means both sentences are giving the same sense. But if we removed this intensive pronoun, there is no impact on the sentence. It means that we can drop intensive pronoun in the sentence. They are not necessary for the sentences. Now, look at this. The pronoun catalog, the pronoun table. First person pronoun, myself and ourselves. These are the intensive pronouns of the first person. Second person is yourself and yourself. These are the intensive pronouns of the second person. And third person, himself, herself, itself, and what plural? Themselves. These are the intensive pronouns of the third person. These are singular and these are plural. It means that more than one. When we use to show the subjects who are more than one, we have to use this column. And if our subject is singular, we have to use this column. So this is the table of the intensive pronoun. Now look at this. The reflection move. It means that the action moves forward. Yes, whenever we do action, it moves forward. But the emphasis mean intensive pronoun, means that it bounce back. It bounce back. Now look at this sentence. I myself completed, right? I myself completed the task. Yes, look at this sentence. Now is bouncing back at the subject while the whole action is moving ahead. This is the action of intensive pronoun. Intensive pronoun moves backward while the action moves forward. This is another aspect of intensive pronoun. Now, look at this, the structural balance scale. There should be a balance between antecedent and pronoun. We discussed it in the second slide as well. A pronoun must perfectly agree with its antecedent, the original noun, in number, maybe singular or plural, and person. It maybe it is male or female. If a writer changes the number, it is an inappropriate shift. The sentence structure breaks. If we do the inappropriate shift between antecedent and pronoun, the structure will be broken. Yes. Look at this. How we can restore the balance? This is a sentence. Pakistan remains highly susceptible to flooding and its climate makes it worse. This is a sentence. We know Pakistan is non-living thing and we want to emphasize it. It means that we have to use it's for it. Yes. And if we use they for it, it means we are showing that Pakistan is a person. So this is what we have to restore the balance. Whatever the subject, we have to use the intensive pronoun according to the subject. Yes. Now look at this. Antecedent is Pakistan and it is singular and its weight is 1 kg. On the other hand, the non-living thing, antecedent is the subject and pronoun is its. We can't use what? They, she, he, because these pronouns are used for showing person. So now it is the balanced one. If we break this balance, the whole sentence lose its balance. Now look at this, blueprint perfection, combining power and stability. How Pakistan itself must manage its changing climate. Yes, once again, here is intensive pronoun and it is bouncing back. Must manage its. This is what? Showing possession. This is possessive pronoun, while this is reflexive, not reflexive, but it is intensive pronoun. So we can say that this is a proper picture of perfection of a sentence. Now, this is all about our today's, dear students, this is all about our today's focus. Now, I hope you have done the formative check as well as classwork and your homework. It is also very important. So, in the end, I would like to say thank you so much. I hope you have understood the whole concept. See you tomorrow. Till that time, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.